wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know what time it is? Let's talk about some new launches. Let's go. Okay, beauty news. Naked Sundays is coming to Ulta Beauty. I've never tried anything from Naked Sundays, but if you use their products, you can now get it at Ulta. So is it available at Sephora before? Naked Sundays is an Australian-based brand that is known for their high-performance skincare meets sunscreen products. Okay. I don't know if this is gonna be a good round. This one, y'all. Everything is just giving. Okay. Available now. Pillow Soft Hydrating Lip and Cheek Stains from Dominique Cosmetics. A long-lasting flush of color that leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth, infused with avocado oil and nourish the skin, and formulated with hyaluronic acid to leave skin feeling softer, smoother, and more hydrated than ever. Retails for $22. It's cute. It's cute. Those two colors are cute. And you can use it on the cheek, so get like a 2-for-1 special on that one. I'm gonna keep scrolling. Beauty news. Natrium is coming to Ulta Beauty. They weren't available at Ulta Beauty already? I know it's available at Target. Okay. I like, Naturium. We just went through this a couple months ago that I have been pronouncing this brand the wrong way. I keep saying Natrium, it's Naturium. They're the, like body wash, body oil brand. They have really good products in general, but I really like their body washes and their body lotion. They did come out with a body oil that I wanted to try, but the only reason I didn't run and try is because it's given the same packaging as the body butter, and I didn't like how the body butter smelled. So if the body oil smells like that, I'm good on that. But I still want to try it because I like the brand. Okay, revealed. New True to Myself Tinted Pressed Finishing Powder from Rare Beauty. A weightless tinted powder that instantly blurs, smooths, reduces shine, and sets makeup with a natural finish. Talc-Free formula gives a diffused cloud effect that lets radiance filter through, leaving seamlessly over bare skin or layering or makeup. $30 each. I'll try it. I like a little pressed powder for finishing or different reasons. I would try it. Rare Beauty, they don't really miss with their products. Definitely for the, pretty natural makeup, your skin but better makeup wear. Okay, $15. It also comes with a soft touch powder puff, which is $50. Baby, go ahead and get you that little powder puffed little powder from Amazon and call it a day. New Skin Tint Blurring Elixir from Kylie Cosmetics. Weightless fluid tint with light to medium coverage and second skin finish. Formulated with hyaluronic acid and improved skin hydration. Smooths pores, fine lines and texture, 12-hour wear in 24 shades, coming soon. You know what's weird? Like, Kylie Cosmetics really fell off. Like, it really fell, because you remember, like, King Kylie days, those lip kit days, and just, like, fell off. And you would think now with, like, TikTok, there's, like, a whole new generation that she could introduce it to and, like, just kind of jump on, kind of like what KVD Beauty did. Like, just go to TikTok, younger crowd, don't really know the past of the brand, and, like, the brand hasn't really done that because even now it's still like, And given that it's by Kylie Jenner, you would think, but, let me know if you guys would want a video on that. Other than that, I'm just gonna keep scrolling. Okay, new shades of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Shimmer Body Oil. A lightweight body oil that gives skin a sun-kissed glow, silky soft feel, features a delicate coconut vanilla scent, and has a sparkly glitter reflect that illuminates the skin. Okay. Retails for $38. I've tried this before. It is good. So if you like, the body shimmers, body oils that are going to make you glisten, like think Fenty body. It's not Fenty body. I'm not saying it's similar to it, but I'm saying like if you like products like that. Tom Ford has one that's popular. Patrick Ta. I think you would like this. It does make your body shimmer. It looks really good in pictures. I don't remember if there's any transferring with this one. It's been a minute since I used it, but I know I did like this. Oh, well, I tried, no. Okay, it's bad when I just want to give up halfway through. Like, what is going on? New Fragrance Mist Scents from Phlur. Caramel Skin Fragrance Mist. Notes, bergamot, caramel, warm milk. And then Coconut Skin Fragrance Mist. Palm leaf, caramel, gelato, coconut. Both retail for $35 for 8 ounces, $20 for 3 ounces. Me and Phlur Phlur, however you say this brand. You know, we have a love-hate relationship. I love when I see the packaging and what it looks like. I hate when I go smell it. But I keep trying because I want to like it. But like missing person, okay, fuck. So I'm gonna keep scrolling. Finally, something brag. Okay, but wait a minute. Why didn't I see this before? Hold on. When did this come out? Spellmana? It should be. New Gloss Bomb Sticks High Shine and Lip Liners from Fenty Beauty. Gloss Bomb Stick High Shine, $25. And then, where's lip liners? Traced Out Pencil Lip Liner retails for $20. Longwear Creamy Pencil lasts up to 8 hours. Velvet Matte Finish, resists transfer, feathering, and fading. Yeah, I skipped over the Gloss Bomb Sticks. I don't use pigmented lip products like that anymore. But if you do, it's coming out. It kind of reminds me of those like lip sticks. Lipsticks that they had come out with like the first go around. If you guys remember those sticks, they had like a green color, blue, black, stuff like that. Kind of reminds me of that. So maybe they kind of like did that again, but like in a better version. But these lip liners, Fenty, because I've been waiting. Like y'all literally launched with a full face ready to go. So I was like, what took so long to come out with lip liners? And of course Rihanna was gonna give us multiple brands because she knew her black girls be wearing their lip products with brown lip liner around them. I see 08 browned out, 09 cold blooded. I would probably get 09. I'm going to get. I think I need to go to the mall tomorrow. Oh yeah, I'm gonna buy this. Yeah, y'all already knew that. Now I feel like I'm probably going to say no, I'm not gonna buy this, just because once I say the brand and what it is, like you're gonna know it's probably not worth it. But I will say it does look very appealing in the pictures. So available now: Rouge, Louboutin, Loubibelle lip oil, inspired by the red leather soles that made the Mason famous. High gloss formula provides intense nourishment for up to 24 hours with a dewy instant plump of, oh wait, I like plump. Wraps your lips in a kiss-worthy sheen. $69 at Harrods. $74 on their website. Look at the pictures. Doesn't that look like the cutest like pout color? Just yes. But $74 for lip oil? Please be so for real. And with my luck, I would lose it because I always lose like little, you know, chapsticks, lip oil, stuff like that. Beautiful. It's got me looking. But like, you know, when you get older, you try to be like an adult and like reasonable, and it's just like $74 on lip oil. Can we get something exciting, please? Okay, available now: Erase It All Makeup Cleansing Bombs. Cleanse and gently remove all types of long-wear makeup, eye, lips, face, and sunscreen residue. Fragrance-free, sulfates-free, silicones-free. Retails for $14.99. I mean, I like makeup remover bombs type products. I'm currently using a makeup oil from Benefit, but there is one from, I think, Inquires. That's a good one. I mean, I would give it a shot. It's only like $15 to test it out, but like I do recommend double cleansing. So like removing with the balm and then using a cleanser, or even if you don't wear makeup, like just going in with the same cleanser twice. Just make sure you really give yourself a nice good scrub, because people are like, why do I have to go so hard with soap, like cleanser on the face, because it's just gonna like run right off once you put water on. It's like, okay, but like, you know, you're supposed to like scrub it in before you wash it off. It's not just like touch it on then okay. It would not be a video like this if a brand was not doing a collaboration. So Chucky Good Guys is collaborating with Glamlight, and I know every time I talk about Glamlight in these videos, I'm like, I want to try their products. I think I've said this before, like when it's not available at Ulta and Sephora, it's just an extra step for me, and I just never get around to doing it. I actually just watched Chucky for the first time earlier this year. You know, interesting movie. Of course, packaging is very cute here. I'm looking at the actual products. I feel like you're going to buy this. One, either you just really like Glamlight products, you're looking at it and you're like, that eyeshadow palette could be beneficial to you, even though it's like, it's really like 3 blues, 3 greens, and some red. Or you like the packaging, you like the movie, so you just want to get it as like a collector's item type thing. Can I get like one thing? Okay, let's go ahead and wrap it up with this. So available now, Portofino 97 Golden Shimmer Body Oil from Victoria Beckham. Wait a minute, hold on, let me slide. That looks, let me see it on the skin. Ooh, I like body oils where it's like, it's glittery, it's shimmery, but like it doesn't necessarily look like glitter on your body, if that makes sense. A golden touch on skin laced with the transportive citrus scent of a seaside escape, an ode to a burgeoning romance. And didn't I talk about this before? I could have sworn I talked about something that was launched by Victoria Beckham. It was supposed to be something that that represented her romance with David. Wasn't it? It could have been this. $95. See, my toxic trait is I just said everything that I just said about the lip oil being 70, but like this, I could see myself spending the 95 to get this. Like, where is Victoria Beckham's product sold? Because like I would have to try this in person, but like I could see myself spending the $95 to get this. It looks great in the picture. If I pop up with it, don't say nothing. All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end this here because they're starting to piss me off. Yeah, I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling these launches. I don't see it here, but I do know Danesse Myricks just launched a concealer, so yes, I'll be doing a video on that. I'm gonna pick up the Fenty lip liners. Other than that, I haven't really heard of any other like makeup products or anything like that coming out. Like I just need to go get, or I need to review, but maybe I'm just not seeing it. And you guys know I've been moving, so like I haven't really been on social media like that. So if there is a product that you guys would like a video on, a review on, let me know in the comments down below, because yeah, me intentionally going to look for it wasn't giving. So maybe I need y'all's help on what to review. So let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead wrap up this video. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.